Welcome. Now, we're going to have a couple of guests join us probably in the next 15, 20 minutes. Brian Cato, who is a SessionSplitter power user, and the actual developer, Garrett Acott, is probably going to join us in the next probably 15, 20 minutes as well. Now, I'm going to start off with my world famous mind maps. You know, if I had a webinar and didn't have mind maps, I don't know if I could even talk. But today, what we're going to do, just to kind of recap what we've talked about over the last week, 2 weeks, is week 4 was kind of VAs. Are they worth it? You know, how do you find them? What should you pay them? Third-party content tools. We talked a little bit about this, and I owe you a separate video about SendBuddy, and we're going to be putting this out probably this next week. So the transcripts are all in, and closed captions are available if you need them. Week 3, we talked a little bit about how do you integrate our tools in with everything else. Week 2 was more of a how do you keep track of them, and what is a perfect Minion setup. Week 1 was the equipment that you need, and this is kind of where I made an assumption that everybody understood proxies and SessionSplitter and VPSs and VPNs and all that. Well, I probably made a wrong assumption. Is I want to make sure everybody on the call is very familiar with proxies, SessionSplitter, why you need SessionSplitter or a tool like it, and you know what computers you're going to be bringing. In fact, Garrett Acott is on the call right now. Garrett, I guess I caught him off guard. So anyway,
I'm here.
Oh, perfect, excellent. Garrett, you know, feel free to hop in there if I'm not giving a you know, if a question's asked, or if I'm going over something that maybe has changed in the latest versions. You know, because I know you've done a lot of changes the last 2-3 weeks since we had that first call. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started.